Indian Industries Quiz. Which state is the largest producer of iron in India? Answer C. Odisha. The first modern iron and steel plant in India was established at which place? Answer A. Jamshedpur. Which city is a major hub for India's defense and aerospace industry? Answer D. Bengaluru. Which city is an important center of India's film and entertainment industry? Answer B. Mumbai. The cotton textile industry is mainly concentrated in which region of India? Answer B. Western India. Which state is the largest producer of raw cotton in India? Answer D. Maharashtra. The jute industry is mainly concentrated along which river? Answer A. Hooghly. Which state is the largest producer of jute in India? Answer C. West Bengal. Why is Bengaluru known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer D. It is a major IT and software hub. Which of the following is the largest cement producing state in India? Answer A. Rajasthan. Which city is known as the birthplace of India's oil industry? Answer B. Digboy. Aluminium industry in India is mainly dependent on which mineral? Answer C. Bauxite. Which company operates the famous Rourkela steel plant? Answer D. Steel Authority of India Limited. The Bhilai steel plant was established with the help of which country? Answer D. Soviet Union. Which city is known as the Detroit of India due to its automobile industry? Answer B. Chennai. Which industrial corridor connects Delhi and Mumbai? Answer C. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Which state is the leading producer of sugarcane in India? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Which region is a major industrial region due to its mineral resources? Answer A. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Which Indian state is a major center of diamond cutting and polishing? Answer A. Gujarat. Which city is an important center of India's pharmaceutical industry? Answer C. Hyderabad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment.